Hello, my name is Thomas. Today we got something special for you. We are going to do an App Store optimization review. And today we have chosen a game that is actually really loud when it comes to the topic marketing, especially within the German-speaking markets at the moment. And the game is called Coin Master. In today's App Store optimization review, we're going to check out Coin Master. The rules are quite simple. I have 3 minutes time to give a review to the App Store listing of Coin Master, and I will think out loud what I'm thinking about. So let's get right into it. Okay, so here we are on the App Store page. The name of the game is Coin Master and the subtitle is Attack and Rate Your Friends. So the subtitle has a really good call to action in it. The title itself with only Coin Master, maybe there could be some kind of enhancement that we get a better understanding of the game, what it is actually about. The app icon itself looks very cool with the pig holding the coin in the hand. Also the 1.8K ratings with an average 4.6 rating are really nice. They're position number 1 within adventure. So this is showing us that this game, that there is something going on. Having a closer look at it. So let's go to the screenshots. We see a really nice visual over here. Maybe what I'm already missing somehow is some kind of video where we see actually some live gameplay of the game so that we get a better understanding what the game is about. Let's go to the screenshots. Attack friend villages. Okay, that's okay. It's clear what I have to do. This screenshot, I'm not 100% sure what the screenshot wants to tell me. Okay, there seems to be also some kind of casino and jackpot elements in there where I can do one-armed bandit and probably win something. I can unlock pets and I can explore new worlds. So, personally, I have to say that when I only look at this information, it's really hard for me to now get a better understanding what this game is actually about. Because there is a pig in there and it says Coin Masters. And there seems to be some kind of toys or anything like that in the background. So I'm not 100% sure what this game actually wants to tell me by only looking at this. But let's go scroll a little bit deeper and let's have a look at their description if we can get out some more information over there. Okay, so here we see a lot of description on their game, what they can do. It is very well structured. I can see that I can play with my friends. There seems to be something that I have to collect things like pets and cards. And I can attack my friends and probably also other people out there. Once again, I'm still not 100% sure what this game is about. So this means that there is eventually some potential left on what they could really do to educate me, to give me a better understanding if I should actually really downloading this game. I think this is also very important when we think of other user acquisition channels, because no matter which user acquisition channels they are using, they are sending the traffic over to the App Store page, and when the people simply don't understand what this game is about, probably they will not going to download it, and this means they wasted some kind of money within their user acquisition journey. Yeah, let's have a closer look down here. Okay, actually there is an app review video. Okay, this app review video now also explains a little bit more in detail what the game is actually about. Would have been good if this app preview video would have been in portrait mode, because then by doing so they could have put it on the first place within their screenshots, and then people coming to the App Store page would have already seen the video in autoplay mode. So if I would have to give this game in this particular case an App Store optimization rating, I probably would go for a 7 to 8. I think that there is a lot of potential left when it comes to really actually showing what is the game about, what can I do within the game. I think they made really good effort with their screenshots, with the style, with the art style of the game, as well with the app icon. But as mentioned, video is missing for me as well. There is another space left within the title for additional information what the game is actually about. I hope you like this kind of format. Please let us know within the comments of this video what you think about it. Also let us know which other apps or which other games we should review so we can do another episode for them. Also be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you will get the notification as soon as our next video is live. And don't forget, keep optimizing. And the game is called Coin Masters. So, Coin Master.